I'm up here in the Refuge this afternoon. I got the new GoPro Hero 7 Black on a hat cam. This hyper smooth stabilization. They say it is a 3-axis gimbal killer. So we're gonna find out. I got a fish on right now. It looks like it's a leaping lady. Pretty day up here today. Got a water temp of 59. Got a little bit of a westerly breeze. And there ain't many people around. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, got another leaping lady on. Alright, a lot of fun. I don't mind catching these critters. They're a lot of fun. Come on, buddy, let's get in the air. Ain't worth a hoot to eat. They're a lot of fun. Catching them on the old Mirrodine this afternoon. Another fish on. Another leaping lady. Ooh. Good day up here. I like this line stretching. I don't care who's at the other end of the Mirrodine. Got another lady on. These old critters are thick back here today. I mean, I am getting, as soon as this bait hits the water, I'm getting hammered. Another fish on. I don't know if it's a lady or not. Sitting there over this deep hole right here. It's about 10-12 feet. There's a fish right there. Oh, is this a trout? Look at this. It's Mr. Speck. Come out of this old deep hole right here. All right. There's a little bit of variation on the Dean. But 16, maybe 17. There's a little 16-inch speckled trout up here in this hole, up here in the Chazz. All right, see you, buddy. There we go. Oh, there's another one. Oh, he's back on it again. Another trout. About, oh, there's a whole bunch of them in here. He's about, he's 16, maybe 17. All right, that's what I'm up here looking for. I'd like to see a redfish, but I don't know if that's going to happen. There's a little 15-inch trout. Bunch of small ones in here, along with a bunch of leaping ladies. All right, buddy, hit the drink. There's another trout. A lot of dinksters. There's a whole bunch of them in here too. This water is only about 2.5 feet deep. Fairly clear. And I'm getting farther back here in the creeks. All right, buddy. "16-incher. Come on, buddy, hold off. There we go. Pretty little specks. Yeah, I hear you croaking. All right, buddy. Back in the water. Another fish on. Another trout. Getting in here in another hole again. This looks like a pretty decent fish here. It is. Yep, he is. And he's trying to get under this floating reef right here. It's a nice one. This is about, he's about 18. Oh, it's not a bad fish. Alright, a little bit better fish there. He's 18. Good old Yellowmouth. Ooh, got 1.5 fingers. Alright, buddy. Back in the drink. Another fish on. Staying down, so I'm assuming it's a trout. And it's not a trout, it's red. But it's a trout. Nice one too. Where I'm standing, yep. About 17, 18 again. Nice fish. Nice fish. There's a 17-inch trout. Oh. Mr. Yellowmouth with one fang, and he's croaking. He ain't happy. Alright, buddy. Back in the water. Oh, I just had a whopper while this old splasher. Whoa. Well, I didn't know how the day would turn out, but it ain't too shabby. Got the leapers, and I got the specks. And this ain't a bad one right here. I mean, no, this old boy's pushing 20. 19 or 20. That's a nice trout. All right. We've had some cold temperatures up down here for Florida. Getting down in the upper 30s at night, but this water temp still at about 59, so these trout are still real active. This is a nice fish right here. This may just be the old whopper, the honker of the day. Alright, this little boy's bigger than I thought. He's 21 inches. This is a nice trout. One big old fang and Mr. Yellowmouth. Oh, that's a pretty good trout up here today. Alright. This has been a pretty good afternoon up here in the Refuge. I counted 11 trout. I had 4 that was 17 to 21 and a whole pile of leaping ladies. This is my narrow window day. It's gonna get nasty tomorrow, so this is a real good day to come up here today. Weather's pretty pleasant. Got a good incoming tide, so hey, it's time to head to the shack. See ya! Resident sandhill crane.